Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And here all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, of course no worries, a three dots icon and the settings will appear right here. So let's enter and tap on languages. So this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English left, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. And let me pick maybe something like Arabic or Assyrian maybe, or something like that, because I just want to find the graphical language in order to show you the actual difference. Let's pick maybe Assamese. Yes, so so as you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so let's simply tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see right here, we've got the keyboard types from which we can choose. So in this case we've got 3 of them. Sometimes you will only have 1 or even like 5. So it's up to you. I will pick this one as this is the graphical one, and I will turn off this option. So let's tap on done if you are ready. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. So now let me go back and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences on the keyboard. So first of all, let's take a look at the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the previously chosen one. I forgot the name of the language, sorry. So tap on it again and again English. So this is how it works. It's quite easy, I would say, and that's how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not 2 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here from this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, which means that we can only type in one language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your OPPO Reno8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.